Your Excellency, my name is Bosmi Kotim. Acholi compensation has taken so long, not because the government does not want to help the people of Acholi land. We have been receiving a lot of initiatives through the government, but it does not reach the beneficiaries, the rightful beneficiaries. The whole system must be changed. This system of relative friends and in-laws, even if you send trillion shillings here, nobody will be a beneficiary apart from the same people, same group, same team, same committee. Both legal team, I'm telling you the truth. Our Acholi leaders are our own problem of the land. Change them. The people will appreciate the government. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Your Excellency. My name is Domato. I'm an advocate. Your Excellency, I just want to address my mind. Welcome to you, and thank you for the executive order. God bless you. Thank you for the farm in chapel. God bless you. I wanted to address my mind on the legality of the issue you raised. First of all, this is a court out-of-court settlement. There are people who have been partially paid. Compensation is totally different from rehabilitation. Compensation legally is different from rehabilitation. You pay for what has been lost. This is a subject matter before court. And even if this government decides that they will rehabilitate and give 5 cows per household, this will not be the last government. Because people have to be paid for what was taken from them. So I would appeal to you, Excellency. You mean well. You mean well. You made a bold decision to make an executive order against your own tribesmen. You mean well for our people. But it has us to see the cows of Balalo when ours is not there, and today they come to tell us, let us give everyone 5. They took 5,000 cows. You now want to give 3 cows? This is ludicrous. This is an insult. So you could put a select committee. There are people who stole cattle money. Some of them are here. They are here, man. They should be in prison long time ago. And lastly, as I go to sit Your Excellency, the political leaders, there are MPs who have been paid 2,000 cows, ministers who have been paid 3,000 cows, generals who have paid themselves 2,500 cows. They are here. Now today they are saying they give everyone 5 cows. For crying out loud, this one will cause you a political problem. Thank you.
Your Excellency, sir, I am Rubake Daniel Boyga. I am the City Councillor 5 representing the young people of this city. At the same time, the chairperson of Youth League, Guru City. Your Excellency, I want to concur with what my honorable colleagues they have said, that every household, at least, they should get 5 or 7. I want to agree with what they have said here. But Your Excellency, sir, you need to change your technical staff you work with. Because some people, they are not telling you the truth, what they are supposed to do in our community here, or in a tourist region. So, you change the people you work with, some of them, so that all of us will benefit before you retire from your office. Thank you so much.
Your Excellency, the President, my name is Uyo Morisanto. I am from Kirkum District. I am the chairman for one of the divisions in the municipality. At the same time, Mr. President, I am the chairperson of FDC in Kirkum District. I want to make this one very clear. Going forward, Mr. President, sir, I want to align myself with all the presentation by our Member of Parliament. Most of the statements presented today are actually very true, and we want to agree with that. Mr. President, we want to request that if you want this issue to be history, number one, I want you to begin involving the lower local government leadership who knows the actual benefits in the community. You have been involving cows who are visitors in the district. These ones who are visitors in the district. These few people that don't know anything so much in the district, and they don't have direct connection with the people. Please, Mr. President, I request that you involve the lower local government leadership so that we can verify this list and our people get the compensation. Thank you very much, Mr. President. Those are my issues.
Thank you, Your Excellency. My name is Bosco Kerayot. I am a district councillor from Kitgum district. Your Excellency, I am 39 years old. And when we compare how long this government has been, so the government came at a time when I was yet very young. Your Excellency, the elders told us that the war that we had in Uganda mostly was fought in northern Uganda, especially the NRA war. And the most affected community were the community of Acholi land. Your Excellency, when I saw the list of the claimants indicating those that are going to benefit, I felt so bad, Your Excellency. Because we know very well that the most affected community in Uganda in terms of the insurgency in northern Uganda has been Acholi land. So these are my proposal as a young person, Your Excellency. One, if we are going to continue with the payment through claimant, then a fresh registration and verification be done in Acholi land so that we get the right beneficiary who should benefit from the claimant. Your Excellency, there have been proposals that household be paid. And if household be paid, Your Excellency, I would propose that any person above the age of 20 years from now be compensated with at least 10,000. Thank you.
Your Excellency, my name is Barrington Kuwait. I'm the Councillor 5 to the sub-county in Gulu district. I have two issues. One, I want to plead to you, Your Excellency, that you use your indulgence within your wise leadership to organize another different meeting with the district leaders and the sub-county leaders separately. You realize that our members of parliament, the ministers, they have taken advantage of this meeting. And you are not going to hear what we have as local government. We have a lot of issues to share with you. Two, I must address my discontent with the statistics presented by the Attorney General. I must say that they are very unfair. You realize that the total number of claimants from the whole Acholi sub-region is only 16,000. That's a very big lie. I must say the statistics is not true. And we are going home when we are not happy. It is not true. Two, Your Excellency, our appeal to you that you, within your wise leadership, you should put a compensation desk office at each sub-county to handle the file. We have so many files, I could say, that have not been worked on. And people are complaining. You have been hearing how the civil servant, the Attorney General, have been very defensive. And that is how they are operating. Our people are not free. There are a lot of people that are being frustrated with the work of your staff. We plead that really the desk office have to be there at the sub-county to handle the file. Thank you.
Your Excellency, the President of the Republic of Uganda, I have 2 minutes to talk to you. I am Osan Eric Stover, the youth chairperson for Gulu district. I am here representing the young people because I don't see any young person in the line. This war that took place happened and our ancestors lost animals. These animals, if they were there today, I believe, as the grandchildren, they would have given us 20 herds of cattle per household. So I request that you give 20 herds of cattle for each household in the Acholi sub-region. However, I request that we don't use the census for you both report as the true number of households in Acholi. Let us have the NC ones do verifications of the real households in Acholi. Anybody who has a wife should be registered and then given 20 acts of animal in Acholi sub-region. That is one aspect which I'm trying to see. Another one is that because of that, as a young person, I do experience a lot of issues. We don't have people who are educated. UP has lost its meaning. USD has lost its meaning. So, dear Your Excellency, the President, with the power you normally have, with the directives you give, I don't know why it is still taking long. Can't you give a directive that more grants be added to USE schools and UPE schools and we have children learn for free? This is a matter of concern because in Bulu district, the highest landed person may be P7 liver or senior 2, senior 3. We don't have schools in Bulu district that is there. So because of time, let me stop here, but that is the matter of the young people. Thank you very much, Your Excellency, the President. For the remaining people, please, you will now use 1 minute. I have been advised you do not have much time. Please.
I know we don't have time, but it's 2 minutes also. We are not different anymore. Thank you so much. I would like to thank God for today. His Excellency, I am the Deputy Speaker of Moro District Local Government. I think today the Lord has heard my prayer. I really wanted to present my pledges to you, but I've never had this time, His Excellency. First of all, I would like to request you, before I comment on debt claimants, His Excellency, pay attention so much to local leadership. You've given a very big grant to local leaders. You don't listen to us. You've never heard our voices. It is from 2021, we are in 2025. You've not heard from local leadership. So we have a lot of grievances to pledge before your table. I would like to pledge today, if you could give us a day, even one, or even after election, meet the local leaders. We have grievances to pledge before you. So, I would like to add on the word debt claimants. His Excellency, verification are always done, but are done with wrong decisions and wrong ambitions. I would like to advise or request, if you could allow, let verification be done in the council floor. When it is first verified from the local leaders from villages there. If verification can be done from local council, in the council flow, we are able to identify who is the wrong one receiving the money or who is a ghost person receiving the money for claimants. Then lastly, His Excellency, I would like to inform you also, we have LC1s in the villages there who are denying other claimants registration. Once they have grievances among themselves, they fail to register members. That's why we have very less members who are registered. Thank you so much. May the Lord bless you.
Your Excellency, the President of the Republic of Uganda, the tactician of peace, stability in Africa. My name is Kenneth Okello-Dogi. I am the District Councillor 5 representing Wakaf in Bulu District. Your Excellency, the problem of Acholi is not only within what we are talking about. The problem of Acholi is, I can describe it in one principle, that it is a very beautiful building with a bars of gold inside, but there is no door and there is no security guard in the door. Why I am saying this, I have two recommendations to your desk, Mr. President. One is, I have seen a lot of tribes having the ministers that represent their issue. I recommend if you can have that and speak for Acholi. The question is, who speak for Acholi where? Because we have been listening that we are representing Acholi, but the representation of Acholi does not gather the data that is collected from the villages. Your Excellency, the second one is, I know we have talked about the compensation of the animals we have lost. We have not only lost animals, Mr. President, we have lost a lot of things, including lives. The point here is, what are the data that are being represented to your desk, sir? The data that are being represented to your desk, is it a secondary data or primary data? That is the question, Mr. President, go and digest. Otherwise, the people who are being benefited in this are not even the people who are born before even the animal compensation have started, and these are wrong people. The country needs true people and to speak with leadership. His Excellency, the last as I conclude, I come from Awach, and today in the morning I passed by the hospital. Our hospital is doing bad, sir. Awach Health Center 4 need total renovation and upgrading. Sir, this is my humble request. I beg to submit. God bless you. Long live, sir.
Thank you, Your Excellency, the President of the Republic of Uganda. I observed all protocol. My name is Acholi, represent the people of Paito Sub-County for the district local government. Your Excellency, sir, I raise up on the issues of Acholi death claimant. Sir, to avoid this corruption, you have to really bring the issues into equal amount of payment. When we agree that they are going to pay 2028 of kettles, let it be equal rates for all the household of the claimants to avoid the corruption. Then too, sir, with due respect, we need the list of the beneficiaries, those who have already received the money and those who are still on pending payments, to make us be sure that the right people of Acholi, they are the one who gets the payment.
The list is here to provide it. The ones who have been paid and they are saying.
Thank you, sir.
Lakwara is saying, the granddaughter is saying that even the ones who are approved, we need that list is for the ones who are paid. Now we need also the one who are supposed to have been approved. That's at each sub-county.
Thank you, sir.
That one can be provided. That's
Exactly, sir. Then I want to supplement, sir, on the issue of balalos. Sir, with due respect, let me raise that in front of you.
Don't touch too many things.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
His Excellency, I want to thank you so much. My name is Richard Benego, the chairperson of LCC for Ketum Sub-County. When I heard about what's happened during the data, in my sub-county, I have a lot of challenges when people heard about Acholi water climate, because during registration, many people did not register. And I am here to request for registration for new people, because right now there are many people in my sub-county there. They are not the beneficiary of the Acholi water climate. And also during that time of registration, there was a lot of corruption, and even some people do not have money to pay for registration. And therefore, if that grace period can be given to our people, that would be a very good thing for our people in the sub